Alright, stop scrolling. I need you to see this. We've all seen AI video stuff, right? You see those face flops? The hands are geet and the lighting a mess. What if you could actually change your character in a video, but it looks real?
I just 나타나고 called Higgsfield Recast. This is not a full launcher, but feel my cock is steering, move and look even your hands, or make me look like this anime character, or swap my face with this other person. And with one click, it does.
But here's the magic. This is why it's different. It has this built-in gesture control physics. In simple English, the AI understands how you move. It keeps your exact posture like a little head tilt or an eye squint. So when you swap yourself with that robot, the robot moves exactly like you. It looks real.
Fast.
What took you so long to catch up, slowpoke?
Honey, where have you been?
The results look filmed, not faked. It's the first time I've seen AI do this, where it doesn't fall apart the second you move your hands. This is a game changer for, well, everyone. Introducing Higgsfield Recast, a full-body character swap with SOTA physics that tracks posture, hands, and micro-gestures for shots that feel filmed, not faked. The world hasn't seen this in video GenAI before. We're the first to make character swap with gesture control and hand stability that actually work.
I miss you so much.
And we miss you too.
You left us to rot in this filthy ground.
Every day, we wait for you to join us.
Want to make a cinematic short film but can't afford CGI? Done. Want to do a comedy skit where you recast your friend as a celebrity? Easy. Want to be a VTuber but without a complex mocap suit? This is basically it. This is the first character swap I've seen that actually works on complex movements. You can wave, you can point, you can talk with your hands, and it doesn't glitch. It just works. So how to start making perfect video character change and effects with Higgsfield AI? It's so simple, even you might not believe it. Only a few steps, and you can generate video like X Maples before, or even make your own great short clips. First, go to Higgsfield AI website. Second, in the menu, find videos and then find recast submenu. Third, upload your source video, the video you want to change characters or anything inside it. Fourth, choose the character that will replace character inside video. Higgsfield already included 30+ high-quality character presets, 30+ male, female, anime, cartoon, animal, and more advanced presets that replace you entirely in just one click. You can also upload your own photo or character. Fifth, choose the voice for dialogues, or you can keep original dialogue voice. Sixth, choose background, or just keep original if you want original background from source video. And that's it. Just click download button below to start generating recast video. Simple and fast, but with Hollywood quality. You don't need CGI or big budget to create your own great effect.
Higgsfield Recast, perfect for character-led channels, switching identities on the fly.
But you can also make short movie with it. Only using Higgsfield tools, you can generate Hollywood quality clips. First, generate image using Higgsfield. This time we will make horror-themed image. Then we will generate video from this, also using Higgsfield video tools. Choose from many of templates and AI models that suit for your clips. Then you can change the face on video perfectly using Higgsfield Recast, maybe werewolf, or any other horror character. With Higgsfield Recast, you can create Hollywood-quality clips only with C-view clicks. Keep gestures and hands stable. Motion-true physics that survive fast moves, poses, and transitions. Clone any voice, or auto-dub to 6 languages with lip sync for instant global reach. Swap into 30-plus characters, male/female, anime, cartoon, creatures, full performer replacement in a click. Change locations instantly, 4 preset backgrounds for premium looks without travel or set builds. Check links in description below.